Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a car that, well, it was not as ostentatious as a Cadillac, but close in 1936. Tell you the story in a second. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. One of our newest acquisitions here, and I myself have never actually ever seen one of these, which means it's an extremely rare model. We have a 1936 Cadillac LaSalle, and it is the convertible coupe model as well on top of that, so that even makes it more rare. The big thing about Cadillac LaSalle in 1936, of course, was it was right in the middle of the Depression. Lots of people were a little more envious, if that was a word I want to use, when they seen people driving around in a Cadillac. So if you had a LaSalle, it was only a little bit less money than the Cadillac, but yet people didn't seem that it was so showy or making too much of a scene for people, whatever, especially with the way the world was in 1936. What we're looking at here is an absolutely fantastically restored vehicle. It is done to the nth degree. Everything on this car has been totally restored, including the interior, the engine, the chrome work, whatever. It is the famous straight 8 engine in this thing with a 3-speed on the column, of course. That is, actually it's on the floor in 1936. Yeah, see, I'm always learning new things every day. But I mean, it's really well done. This is kind of one of the things that if we just took a picture of that, a lot of people wouldn't know. That is for the LaSalle. That's not the Cadillac emblem, but the specific one for the LaSalle. Again, like I said, it was just really well done car, even when it was in 1936. A little less chrome and a little less showy, but this one is at everything redone. I mean, these bumpers are all show quality chrome, along with the grille and the hood ornament as well. Of course, they all had the wide white walls, which, you know, differentiated a lot of the people with the lesser cars, just with the black wall tires. It just always sets a car off, especially if you have the two-tone effect with the two-tone maroon and black. So, like I said, beautifully restored car to the nth degree. The steering wheel has been restored to absolute perfection. All original instrumentation, gauges, everything in this car has been done to a great degree. Even the top bow mechanisms in this car have been chrome plated. It is also a rumble seat model, so you can put someone in the back, and if you leave the top up, you won't hear what they're saying. So sometimes that's what people did to get away from people they didn't want to talk to quite as much. Again, it's got the correct LaSalle hubcaps on it. They have dual tail lights, which on some cars didn't have due to saving some money or whatever. Canvas top, it's hand put up and down, but I tell you, one person can do it at a snap of a finger. Very easily done. I guess if you're looking for one of these kind of really unique cars, I mean, a little over 1,300 of them were built in 1936. Come and take a look at it here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. We're open Monday through Saturday. Come on in. We'll be happy to show you from 10 to 5. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram as well. Make us a favorite. I mean, we're out there all the time with all of our inventory out there, so you can get a good taste for the car itself and get a good feeling for what we have. Everything, like I said, we have everything from the original restored cars to the street rods, resto mod cars, pickup trucks as well, which is a big thing right now. But this is what I consider a true classic in my opinion. And if you're looking for something really outstanding, this is right here at Ellingson. You can visit us at www.ellingsonmotorcars. See all our inventory at any time of the day. Thank you. We'll see you next time.